In this video, we'll see how to automatically generate a calendar in Adobe InDesign and how to edit it easily. Adobe InDesign Calendar Wizard by Scott Silberg. It's a third-party application which can be used in Adobe InDesign. It's mentioned as free for personal and non-profit usage. First, download and install this in your system. I'm giving the link in the description. Once you're done with the installation, please go to Window menu and Utilities. There's Scripts. Now in Scripts panel under JavaScript tab, you can find Calendar Wizard. Install and double click to open. Now we will be getting a calendar wizard control panel. In this panel we can customize our calendar. Now I am planning to create an annual calendar of 2024, 12 months in a single sheet. So the first month should be Jan 2024 and the last month December 2024. Then calendars per page, 12 months per page. Then we can choose the dimension and orientation. I am choosing A4 document and portrait. There are several other features available in this panel. Go through this and add whatever you like. I would like to add highlight Sundays option and I'm clicking OK here. Now we can see the calendar is getting auto generated in our InDesign document as specified. It's a A4 document in portrait mode. Window menu, styles, paragraph styles and cell styles. Double click on a cell. Now we can see the corresponding cell style and paragraph style has been selected. Now I am double clicking the style, strokes and fills. Cell fill. Now I am choosing a color. We can see the color has been applied to all other cells. If I click an empty cell, we can see the corresponding cell style has been selected. Now double click. Again, I'm choosing a different color. You can see. Now I would like to change the font of the date. Double click paragraph style. Basic character format. So with this styles panel, we can entirely redesign and reformat our calendar.